deposited our luggage. And now we're going to buy tickets to Zermatt. This is Tasch. Yeah, we are in Tasch. Hello, so today we are staying in the Panorama apartment in Täsch, Switzerland. So this is the view outside the apartments. You will pass by this church going to and from the train station. Medyo madilim lang sa gabi pag maglalakad kayo, pero mukhang safe naman, tsaka kung marami naman kayo, okay lang. Yan. Ano pala? Lamig. Wala sa reception. So, pag maaga kayo, iwan nyo lang yung luggage nyo dun sa baba, sa ski room. Tapos, kakayakit pag may room na. Since there's no receptionist, they just leave the key inside the key lock beside the door. Kitchen, cabinet, sink, ref, tapos stove, microwave, tapos ito meron dito. Ito yung bed, TV, tapos ito yung CR. Ito yung ating ilaw. Wala siyang bathtub, no? Kaya ng gabi na, bukas na tayo mag-take ng ano. And mayroong dining table for this. Bukas na lang yung sa labas. Waking up to this view. Oh, lamig. Ito yung ating balcony. Panorama Apartments. And it's 15,000 per night. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and press the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you again on my next. Bye!